Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix verification required before you can make purchase. You must have continued to verify your payment info. So guys, if you're trying to download free apps and you're getting this verification required error on your App Store or iTunes, I'm going to show you how you can fix that. So let's just start the video without wasting any time. So first of all, open your setting, click on Apple ID, then click on payment and shipping. Then just wait for a few seconds until the new page is open. So guys, now as you can see here, the Visa card is added and there is failed error. Click on it. Now simply click on remove payment method, then simply click on remove and just wait for a few seconds until the card is removed. So guys, if you have added multiple cards, you need to remove all of them. After the removation, just close the setting. Now let's go to the App Store and let's try to download any free apps and let's see if we get this error or the error is fixed. So now I'm going to install the same app on app I was getting error, Amazon Prime. So now just let me download that app. So here is Amazon Prime Video. Click on it. So just wait for a few seconds. Now it's asking for password. Let me enter the Apple ID password. Now guys, as you can see, Amazon Prime Video is downloading without any error, without verification required error. So guys, this is how you can fix this error. You need to remove your payment method from the setting or from Apple ID. So hope you guys like this video. If you do guys, leave a like and comment. Thanks for watching guys. Subscribe to the channel.